Good day to everybody. Let me introduce myself. I'm Giulia Artalli, Product Line Manager for Microbial Products at Particle Measuring System. And today I want to present to you our solution for microbial sampling and its different accessories available for your different needs. Particle Measuring System is the leader for environmental monitoring, and the Minicat Mobile Microbial Sampler leads the market with the security, precision, and flexibility you count on. Here, I will discuss how these products have the accessory to provide you with the flexibility to use these in various applications in your production plan. We can provide you with the right solution for all contaminant monitoring needs in your production area to meet regulatory requirements as well your SOP. The compressed gas kit is used for sampling gas, both sterile and non-sterile. It's easy to use and install and can be used with a pressure from 0.5 bar to 10 bar, depending on the model of your Minicat Mobile. For remote sampling, in isolator or filling line, you can use either the isolator kit or connect the Minicat Mobile with the BioCap stainless steel. This meets requirements of ISO 14698 and Annex 1 by keeping the instrument out of your grade A environment, and this is really important for your production. You can also use the BioCap single user for remote sampling, and it meets the last single user requirements. Finally, you can sampling with the probe if there is an issue around the placement or space for the full instrument. Minicat Mobile is available in 3 different models based on the flow rate: 25, 50, 100 liters per minute. All accessories can be used with any model with one exception. The BioCap single user can be used with Minicat Mobile 25 or 50 liters per minute. All microbial air sampling that we provide to you use 20 radius slits, making it easy the identification of false positive. Microorganisms from air sampling grow in correspondence to the slits, so any distant growth can be considered a false positive, as shown in the picture on the right in the slides. Mobile is validated to ISO 14698 from CAMRA, which is an independent microbiological facility in Europe. For any additional information or for a demo, please contact your local particle measuring system sales rep. Thank you very much for your attention.